Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and today in this video I'm going to talk about something which relates to you. When we start our day, right? We often have had confusions how to get in the real grind that this time of the year requires us to. With absolutely last 2 weeks, this is a Monday, and just one Sunday and the next Sunday you have an exam. So, in absolutely the last 2 weeks, we need to be valuing minute by minute. And here, when we get up, we are not full of that energy. So, remember this line rocket, if you look, the rocket has 80% of the energy is required to start the rocket, then it goes on its own. So that 80% of the fuel, of the 80% energy that you need at the beginning of the day is extremely important to set the rocket of that day going. So इसीलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आपको एक रात पहले डिसाइड करके सोना है कि अगले दिन सुबह पहले 1 घंटे में मुझे क्या करना है. सजेशन इज वेरी सिंपल. व्हाट यू हैव स्टडीड डे प्रायर, स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट बिकॉज योर ब्रेन इज ऑलरेडी डूइंग इट and has just taken a nap and come out of it, and you can still come into that as soon as possible. So if you give first 25-30 minutes for the whole day what you did yesterday, you have two advantages. You don't lose the golden hour and you are able to revise another excess revision. This is extremely important. And then starting of the day, never ever go to any social media. Starting of the day, never assess what you did yesterday. That is to be done before you sleep a day prior. This I will talk towards the end. And the second time, you will always have initial good hours of study if you start well. A good start is half the finish. So if you are able to start well, it's going to be better. And the moment you start going into it, you will start studying. It's very simple. At this time, you don't need too many people around you. Try to stay aloof. For one or two things, you might talk to people, but try to stay aloof. Have your own plan and stick to your plan. Kill the excuses. You do not need to take the breaks as scheduled. If you need it, do take it. If you wish to sleep, sleep it. If your body needs rest, take it. But just don't try to get sleep in the afternoon because likha tha hum soenge. Don't do that. Let it go in an auto mode. Let the clock set it up self. Try to have a normal nighttime sleep, specifically if possible without any medicines or anything else if you can sleep well. Remember, the second fight of the day after the first start of the rocket is when you go into the next orbit. That is the afternoon. दोपहर lunch के बाद का time is something that's very, very, very sleepy. And that's the time you need to understand, you need to maintain the tempo, maintain the pace. Many people try not to sleep, promising them कि मुझे 15 घंटे 16 घंटे पढ़ना है, and they damage the quality of their study. If you can take a power nap for 30 to 45 minutes, trust me, it's not going to harm you. If you have seen a Formula 1 racing, if your car comes in the pitch and changes the tire, or does the fuel, or does the check, it only gets ready for the next lap, and then it finishes the time better. It has got a better score, and that is why a power nap in the afternoon is not bad. But trust me, trying to fight sleep and not studying, losing time is going to further frustrate you. One more thing that you must keep in mind at this time is have things ready in the dopeher, the second peher of the day. Keep your things ready. What are you going to study at this time? If I am a person, I will try to keep something that interests me, or something which is more of concept, less of memories, so that I know that I have this concept. And also, if I have to discuss something with a friend, I can utilize his energy, which can be contagious to positively lift myself, which I am a little bit slow on. It is very, very important. And then remember, when you are setting the last study schedule, maybe it's late evening or the early evening, whenever you sleep, around 6:37, that's the time. If you have the schedule which is setting you on the road, walk for 30 minutes. Think positive. If you want to revise at that time and mentally you can revise. If not, right, you can calm yourself, listen to some music. It is better to open up. You know, the focus is the most important thing in life at this time. And trust me, if you can propel your rocket in the beginning and refuel it in the pitch in the afternoon, Try not to fiddle too much with your biological clock. Have a good sleep. Distractions from social media is a big no. Your productivity is going to increase because all what I just said is going to increase the circulation in the frontal cortex more, and your memory and attention is obviously going to improve. Thank you very much. All the very best.